Hey, we are back in St. George. Hey, Hoser. We're with Brent, Corsair Nut. What is this thing, man? What is this?
So this is a GWS C-130. Get it, son.
Yeah, look at this.
So I did UMX motors, like what they use in the pits. I think it's what was it, 3,000 kV or 2,500.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm running it on the P51 props with the tips cut flat and 3-cell 1,000 to 1,300 in short bursts.
In short bursts. And the battery hatch is right
yeah, I put
there.
The top. I cut the whole inside out of the plank because there's a lot of structure inside there. And I was trying to cut as much weight as possible. So
yeah.
I think it weighs like 18 ounces with a 30-cell 1,300.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It would weigh less if I ran an actual 2-cell in it and put it farther forward. But,
sure. Well, this thing is just sweet. Well, we're gonna join Brent as he flies this thing. So yeah, it's got flaps and everything. So
it's got Fowler flaps on it, kind of.
Let me get that here real quick.
It's all Robart pin hinges on everything.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
So they actually drop out a little bit.
No.
It makes a huge difference.
Wow. Yeah. Well, I won't want to stop you. We got beautiful flying weather, so. Yeah, this is. I was watching them fly it earlier, and I'm pretty convinced that there is not another GWS C-130 in existence in the world like this one. So. Just a good-looking plane. We were debating on doing low altitude employment with it, but here we go. Look at that. GWS C-130 Hercules. What's the wingspan on this thing?
Yeah, I think it's like 40 inches or 30.
Well, yeah, it's pretty decent sized. Look at that. Camouflage even looks pretty good too. Now I can't remember. Was this all white styrofoam?
Yeah, this is a white foam one.
Okay.
They did sell them pre-painted in gray, I think, but.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're back at St. George, Utah. It's the southwestern tip of the state. We're at the Remote Possibilities Airfield, and yeah, there you go. There's a C-130 loop, which, by the way, apparently they can do because there's video of a full-size one doing a loop. Like, whoa, dude, is that authorized? Anyway, here we go. He's going to slow things down here a little bit. Do some touch and go work with it. Oh, there you go. Wow, those flaps really, really slow it down. Now, originally, this model, it wasn't even in... It was intended to be an RC plane, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they came with little brush motors, and they were direct drive brush motors. And
oh, okay.
I flew one when they were all stock. It was a blast.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying that. It was like, look at that little touch and go. Okay, a lot of folks are going to ask. So what kind of brick are you running in there? So you got these four UMX.
Just a regular. It's got their own ESCs. So
okay.
It's got four. I think they're Turnigy or whatever Hobby King brand that is. They're like little 6-amp ESCs.
Okay.
8 amp. I think they might be 8 amps.
Yeah, but these little tiny ESCs.
Yeah, so I got just a regular receiver in it. And just
okay.
Regular servos and stuff.
So you're not even a UMX style, nothing?
No,
okay.
It's just the motors.
Just the motors.
Here's one of the things I like to do. I like to put full flaps in and just let it sink down. Well, it's not sinking too much today.
Yeah, it's not sinking. She wants to fly.
I'll try from farther away.
Yeah.
With a little bit of headwind, it'll come straight down like a.
Oh, like a helicopter sort of come on down.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll fly pretty. I flew it indoors in a fairly small venue.
Yeah.
It was a little hairy, but. So let's see if we can get it to sink in.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. That is out of control. Nice. Nice.
Let's see if I can do a little wheelie action here.
Okay. There you are. There. She wanted to fly.
Yeah. She likes to fly.
It sure does.
This battery's a little heavier than my last one, so it's not wheeling as good. But
oh, okay.
that's what I'm gonna do, you know?
There you are. Yep, very nice. Very cool.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
Yeah. And again, this is a 3S 1300.
Yeah, so you gotta be careful with full throttle because you'll burn the motors up.
Sure, you're worried more about the motors than the ESCs, really.
Yeah, the ESCs are fine.
Yeah. Very, very cool. I'll tell you what. This this plane is a treat, brother. All right. Hey, if you could open her up real quick and we could look inside, yeah.
No problem.
So I'm sure inquiring minds are going to want to know. So if you could just pop that hatch. So this is, here's the size comparison, and that just comes off, and there you go. That's what she looks like inside there.
So it's all hollow inside. The original one had all kinds of structure in here and stuff.
Yeah.
I pretty much took it all out.
Okay. Wow. And there's the battery. There's your nose. There's the battery up front.
Yeah,
That's a 3S13.
On the motors, you can kind of see them in there.
Yeah. Hold her still real quick. Let me try and get in there. Oh yeah. Yep. I got it.
So
okay.
The motors are right behind here, obviously.
Yep.
And on the scoops, I actually opened up the nacelles so the air passes right through the scoop, and the ESCs are mounted in there.
No way.
And here's the air coming out.
Yeah.
Through the ESCs, basically.
Oh.
To keep the ESCs cool. So
that is ingenious.
That looks pretty good. So you can see the flaps from the bottom side.
Yeah. Oh, you got the pins. Yeah, look at the pins. Yep. Yep.
So.
Very nice.
It needs a cargo door, but
yes, yes. We can do the LAPS, low altitude parachute employment system. Yeah. Come in. We're gonna drop a Humvee out of this thing next.
That's right.
All right. Well, hey, thanks, Brent.
Sure, no problem.
Let me spend some time with you in the morning here with your GWS C-130. And we're at St. George, Utah. Thanks a lot, brother. Appreciate it.